Good afternoon to the respected members of jury. We are going to present a project entitled Social Seva with the sole motto Be a reason for somebody's smile. Now, what is a NGO? NGO works for uplifting the backward sections of community. Moreover, the major function which is performed by NGO is to bridge the gap of inequalities and unfair treatments. The main objective of our project is to bridge the gap between the people who are willing to support a cause and the NGOs which are helping for that cause. Social Seva aims in shortening the gap between you and the NGOs. We help you connect to an NGO on the basis of the cause you care about. You could be the reason for somebody's smile. So let's make it possible together. Now, let's discuss the system architecture through which we have built this app. Firstly, the client opens his web browser and tries to access our web server machine having Django framework via internet, which is deployed on Heroku. Then when the clients want to access the list of NGOs, then the web server machine calls the database server machine, which is the PostgreSQL in our case, to fetch the data, and then the data is retrieved. Also, we have shown the architecture of Django framework. Now, how our idea is innovative. Just like the role of catalyst is to fasten the reaction, we will try to act as a catalyst in supporting the NGOs and the people who wish to support the NGOs so that the process can be done faster and more people can get smile. You can see the same in the reaction that we have mentioned below, like just the the social seva acts as a catalyst to spread more smile on faces and connect to wider range of people. Now, Social Seva is a portal where you could find and connect with NGOs. So it is basically a teamwork. It is a team of teamwork. That is many teams on the same portal and giving you the option to be a part of the team you wish to join and add to the victory of society. Now, I would like to call Abhishek to carry on with the presentation.
Moving forward, I would like to, Pradyuman, please move on the slide.
Is this fine,
Now,
Abhishek?
yeah, sure. Now, now the impact on the society. We aim to implement a model that carry over the nation so that more people can help support the cause and the needy people can get support from it. Anyone having the support cause, whether it be illiteracy, hunger, etc., can register himself on the portal, and once he has been verified, he could choose from the list of NGO and contact them. NGOs help society in different ways by providing goods and services, providing education, etc. Similarly, now as seen, the number of NGOs in India has increased over the years. Through CSR activities, they help in campaigning the managing their fund and ensure that the money allocated for CSR purpose reaches the right hands. So therefore, NGOs have a significant impact on business and government and society. Now, the outcomes. This software helps more people getting involved in the contribution towards a peaceful society. It strengthens the local community by providing education and food to them and minimizing the gap that is present between the groups of higher people and groups of the lower people. Also, this software helps people getting knowledge about the particular NGO they have been looking for, and if they wish, they can get associated to them. Through this, more and more people will get involved with the social work, and hence, in this way, if everyone will put some effort on the society, there will be less burden on the shoulder of government, and hence, it will lead to an overall development of happy and healthy nation. Now, it is the flow chart of how our website works. As soon as the user enters the website, he will be asked for the authentication. After matching it with the data set, if it is valid, he will be taken further. Otherwise, he will be redirected to the user page. After the authentication, he will choose a cause from the list of NGOs and select a NGO of his own choice. And if it is not present, he will be logged out of the page and he will be redirected to the user page. After selecting a NGO, he can get details of the same, and if he wish to connect with them, he can connect to them, and otherwise he will be again redirected to the home page. So that's how the flowchart works. And now my friend Pradyuman will proceed further.
Thank you, Abhishek. Now my part is limitation, right? As we all aware but that every product has its own advantages and disadvantages. But here are the some of the constraints that we haven't fulfilled till yet, but we have put under the limitation section that currently our product is been available through Indore area only, and we are trying to make it pan-India available so that it will help nationwide to build more and grow more. And right now, the problem that we faces is the authenticity of an NGOs. We couldn't verify the genuine and honest NGO for most of the NGOs in the earth. And it's a problem that we can't authenticate the NGOs. For this, we will be using the third-party APIs, which will make the NGOs pan-India, and will be also give an authenticity of an NGO. And we are trying to implement that. And right now, our product doesn't have any payment gateway yet, but but soon we are going to implement the payment gateway either using Razorpay API or using the Stripe, so that there can be a monetary donation among the NGOs to the people who are using our product right now. And one of the major problem that our product faces right now is an injection attack. This website is not fully secure, that it can be easily manipulated by simple SQL injection. So this is one of the problem that still we are facing right now, and we are working on it. So these are the few of the limitations that our product have right now, but how we are going to overcome and what are our future expectations from our product is that we are going to build this product for the nationwide or pan-India available, so that it can help across the nation. And we will also provide the verified and digital secure platform for helping people for the various causes they are looking for. And there will be a particular section for NGO where each of the user get registered on the NGO's database that is been secured by us as a developer. And right now we are using login process using auth, but we are also we will try to do some basic encryption techniques to increase the security of login data. And we are I have also mentioned that we are working on payment gateways, so we will be using Razorpay for the donation part, and we will try to create some campaign for this to encourage our product so that it can be reached out to wider range. And for that we are going to start some campaign process, and we will also connect with the local government so that they can help us, and we can easily help the people according to the cause they are looking for. And we will be working hard on our cyber attack, for example various encryption techniques, or brick crypt salts, for that to ensure that once our website cannot be hacked by any of the hacker. And we will try to increase the efficiency time of our website so that it can be served faster. And here we have attached some snippet of our website that we have deployed on this URL on Heroku Cloud Server, and here contains some of the snippet of our website, how our website is going to be look like. And you can visit this URL for looking how our website will be. So thank you. And the main motto of our product is to spread the smileys, and we wish that we have fulfilled this all the aspect that were in our product.
Like this is our homepage from where it gives the basic implementation of our website, from like all the why you should join an NGO, like which cause you should support. Like also there is a page that you should connect. You can also connect with us, and like this is our contact us page from where you can send us your queries. Then the meet the team page. So yeah, here basically I am logged in, so I could choose any cause which I wish to donate, and then I will submit. So it would automatically show me all the list of NGOs which are particularly contributing to that cause.
Okay. And what if I want to donate, like, I want to give some money?
Yes, ma'am. For that we have to implement, like we mentioned it, and like that we are doing it using our Razorpay method.
Ma'am, right now we have
Okay.
just redirected you to that NGO page, right? You can donate from their website, but we are soon going to implement the monetary
The third party
donation.
application you need to
Ma'am, sure, ma'am. We are going
connect.
to use the Stripe or Razorpay for the money donation part, right? Soon we are going to
Okay.
implement that.
So अभी आपका कोई पेमेंट गेटवे एट दिस मोमेंट नहीं है, राइट?
No, ma'am, we
No.
haven't implemented payment gateway till yet.
Okay. So in how much time you will be able to implement it?
It will take nearly 1 day or half a day, ma'am. It will be sufficient for us to implement that payment gateway in
So
1 day.
if we are going to see you tomorrow, then I guess it will be implemented.
Ma'am, it
We
would be
can,
implemented, but we'll have to deploy also, no? So it would take time.
yeah, ma'am. It will take time. So we can show you the demo version how in our local machine only. Then it will be fine for you.